In today's video, I am going to teach you how to move logos on Squarespace. To get started, open your Squarespace site and make sure you are on the main home sidebar menu inside your website editor. This is where you will find the design settings that control how your site looks. To move your logo, the first place you need to go is Design. Click on Design and then select Site Styles. This opens the styling panel where Squarespace lets you adjust the visual layout of different site elements, including your header and branding area. Once you are inside Site Styles, look over to the left-hand panel. You may notice that this area contains a lot of options, so take your time and scroll down carefully. You are looking for a section related to your header or logo settings. Depending on your Squarespace template or version, this section may be labeled Header, Site Title and Logo, or Navigation. Squarespace can use slightly different names for the same type of setting, so the important thing is to look for the section that controls your site branding and top navigation layout. After you find that section, look for a drop-down menu that controls where the logo appears. This setting may be called Logo Position, Logo Alignment, or Brand Position. Again, the exact wording can vary, but it will usually refer to the placement or alignment of your logo. Open that drop-down and choose the position you want. In most cases, you will see options like left, center, or right. As you switch between these choices, pay attention to the preview so you can see how the logo placement affects the overall look of your header. If your site has a lot happening in the top section, choosing the right logo position can help improve balance and make the navigation easier to read. A centered logo often gives a clean, symmetrical look, while a left-aligned logo can feel more traditional and practical. Once you are happy with the new logo position, go to the top of the left styling sidebar and click Save. This is an important final step because your changes will not be applied until you save them. That is all you need to do to move a logo on Squarespace. That covers everything you need to know.